Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Assurant's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Assurant, a global protection company, has just released its Q1 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their performance in global housing to strategic priorities for the year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the overall financial performance. Assurant reported a net income of $146.6 million, which is a 38% decrease from last year. John, what are the main factors behind this decline?
The significant drop in net income is primarily due to higher reportable catastrophes within their global housing segment. However, it's worth noting that their net earned premiums, fees, and other income increased by 7% to $2.96 billion, indicating strong underlying business growth.
And how did their profitability metrics fare?
Adjusted EBITDA fell by 24% to $282.2 million, again largely impacted by the catastrophes. Excluding these events, adjusted EBITDA actually increased by 14%, showing resilience in their core operations, particularly in global housing.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Assurant's adjusted earnings per share came in at $3.39, surpassing the analyst forecast of $2.84. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a clear beat on expectations, with Assurant delivering an adjusted EPS of $3.39 against the forecasted $2.84. This outperformance is a testament to their effective cost management and strategic initiatives, despite the challenges posed by the catastrophes.
How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
The forecast was based on a survey of 4 analysts, which adds credibility to the beat, considering the consensus was well below the actual results.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, how did Assurant's segments perform?
In global lifestyle, adjusted EBITDA decreased by 5% to $197.8 million, mainly due to lower results in connected living. However, global housing saw a 42% drop in adjusted EBITDA, heavily impacted by the California wildfires. Despite these challenges, Assurant has reaffirmed its 2025 outlook, indicating confidence in their strategic direction.
What are their key strategic priorities for the year?
Assurant is focusing on generating efficiencies, leveraging commercial momentum, and investing in technology and solutions to drive long-term growth. Their strong capital position supports these initiatives, aiming to deliver meaningful shareholder value.
Key takeaways. In summary, Assurant faced some challenges this quarter, particularly with reportable catastrophes impacting their bottom line. However, they managed to beat EPS expectations and show strong revenue growth. John, any final thoughts on Assurant's investment prospects?
Assurant's ability to navigate through these challenges and still deliver strong EPS performance is impressive. Their reaffirmed outlook and strategic focus on growth and efficiency make them a compelling investment, especially for those looking for resilience in a dynamic market.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Assurant's performance in the comments below.